Courthouse Drama, starring Andrea Del Cita Wright.
Tell the judge yet, girl.
I can teach Del Cita so much and no more.
The Minister of Education said, when Penny day at school, a teacher in charge.
Courthouse Drama.
Don't call my name into your mouth.
Your Honor, if me talk to me in my mouth, what you give me, Your Honor?
Courthouse Drama.
Why don't you shut up? Shut up!
Who you talk to? You talk in your mouth.
Miss Coldwater, get a hold of yourself.
But Your Honor, you see me talk to him, Your Honor. But Your Honor, me talk to him pencil and his sharp not take up it.
Miss Coldwater, are you crazy?
No, me insane.
Courthouse Drama.
So, man, Zaki, I wonder what hack told you so in the government.
Hack? This is not a hack. This is a serious thing, Your Honor.
Under what law, sir?
Under Jamaica 50 law.
Now, Zaki, you spit on me, man.
But you do it so many times to me and me never argue.
Courthouse Drama.
But Your Honor, I have to find money to buy pampers, wipes. Your Honor, what am I going to do in the meantime?
You wanna help her out now? She has suffer body now. I force woman, me see wash pampers and hang out online.
Courthouse Drama.
So miss, what about you now?
Guess what?
Yeah.
Diamond and I are running a business together now.
So no, they right out now.
No. He is just helping me to set up my business.
Okay. I don't know then none at all. That's a very strange
He
man.
is not a strange man. He's a gentleman.
You stand there, you don't know man. Most man make a China. You stand there when they now walk you can send them back.
Well, I guess he's not from China.
Whatever.
Courthouse Drama.